So now you can see this is the topic of definitely non-uniform, is it right? So let me say it is a non-uniform types. So non-uniform, whatever we have discussed, non-uniform means the graph we are getting hyperbola, is it right? And they are of two types, is it right? Average speed and what instantaneous. This non-uniform are of two types, is it right? One is average, another is instantaneous. So what is average? Average means the total distance covered in the non-uniform, is it right? And divided by the total time. It's said to be in the average when the total distance is divided by the total time taken. This way we can find the what? Average speed. Graphically, definitely this is the graph. So how can we find graphically also? So what to do in graphically? In in your mind, always it will take that, see, whenever we are going to find the average or whatever it is, right? So always keep it in mind once again here. So you will take the initial point and the last ending point. So from the initial and ending point, you will form one slope. Is it right? You will form one slope, and this slope, definitely this is a right angle triangle. So let me clear you this slope मे बी इन यूनिफॉर्म एंड नॉन यूनिफॉर्म दोनों में, इज राइट? इन यूनिफॉर्म में क्या होता है? यूनिफॉर्म में तो ऑलरेडी एक स्लोप बना होता है, तो स्लोप विल प्रोवाइड व्हाट? द स्पीड. Yes, how it is possible? Because you can see in the perpendicular this is distance, and slope means what? Y-axis by x-axis. So in the y-axis it is distance, is it right? And in the x-axis it is time. The distance by time is speed. The slope will provide what? The slope will provide speed. Also we can say the slope is depends upon the theta, the angle, tan theta, perpendicular by base. This is the also way. So I can write here either this, or you can say what? The tan theta. But keeping in mind tan theta should be perpendicular with the base. That means distance by time होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं कि time by distance कर लिया, ठीक है? Come next, instantaneous means at any instant. Suppose at any time, at any instant of time, कोई भी टाइम है, from starting to the ending there are so many times are there. At any particular time, whenever you are going to ask what is my speed, that is called instantaneous. But it should be non-uniform, because uniform में तो same ही रहता है. Is it clear? Suppose I want to find at this point. So what to do? From here you take a points on the definitely graph. I mean to say parabolic graph, not again hyperbola. So at this point first you take a tangent. So look at here, this tangent again form a slope. The slope will again provide what? The speed. But this will be what? Non-uniform speed. Here also it is non-uniform speed. This way we can find the instantaneous. Instantaneous we can find if it is not graph. Suppose कोई equation दे दिया, then also we can find this. Is it clear? Or let me take an example. Example means, suppose displacement x is given to you as 3t square plus 2t. So we know that if I differentiate this with respect to time, already we have done this differentiation, then we can find the speed. So here dx by dt, if I do, then you can see it is 6t plus 2. So this is my answer, and even this is my what? It is my speed. But if I'll ask you what is your speed at time 2 seconds, then what you have to do at the time t, you have to put 2. 6 to 12 plus 2, it is 14. So you can say it is 14 meter per second or kilometer, whatever it is. I have written only the magnitude. So it is 14. So 14 meter maybe, or it is some other things. So in this way we can find the speed. But if I'll ask you what was your speed in the initial, then you will say time equal to 0. तो टाइम 0 लगा लो, इनिशियल में पहुंच जाओगे तुम, तो फिर 2 था, यानी कि तुम्हारा 0 से स्पीड शुरू नहीं था, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस गिवन इक्वेशन. So we can find this instantaneous by the equation also, and with the help of graph also, and not only this, we can find the average speed also. Now it's a turn of what? Now it's a time to know about the what? Velocity. So in the velocity also, There is no changes in the what types and all. There are also two types of non-uniform. I'm talking about the velocity, is it right? Same definition and everything will come, is it right? Instantaneous, uniform, but only keep it in mind that velocity always have some direction where speed does not have. This is the importance of it. Clear? Yes, dear student, you can see here the once again this is a definition of your velocity. Is it right? So you can check here the velocity is the definite rate of change of position of an object with time and a given directions is, so definitely direction is one of the given direction. Is it right? It's called the velocity. Once again, displacement by time. So for velocity I will use displacement. It is a vector quantity. Again, these are of two types, uniform and non-uniform. Non-uniform is also again two types. As I told you, this is similar term as speed. Is it right? When a body is said to be moving with a uniform velocity, it covers equal distance in equal interval of time, and non-uniform means equal distance in unequal interval of time. Is it right? The graphs will be also same. जो मैंने वहाँ पे speed में graph बनाया था, यहाँ पे भी वही graph आएंगे. So I have not here giving any importance because I know you can do it. Is it clear? Average velocity defined as the ratio of the total displacement. याद रखना displacement आएगा यहाँ पे, not distance, by time. So displacement can be decrease also. That's why the minus term we use here. Instantaneous is again definitely at any particular time. What is your velocity at any particular time? We can find with the help of what? Differentiating also. You know that differentiation. Like example मैंने दिया था तुमको. So here also we can use the same example over here, but it should be done instantaneous velocity. Clear? So till now in graph we get the informations. What is that information? That slope will provide what? Either speed or what? Velocity. Keep it in mind. Yes, slope. One more information, and that is in the speed term, right? Let me start there. It is in definitely in velocity time or speed time graph. In velocity or speed time graph, right? Area will provide area where this slope definitely the slope it is in what? Distance and time graph. Is it clear? Whereas in velocity and time graph, area will provide what? Displacement or distance. Is it right? So if your velocity time, I will get displacement. If it is speed time, I will get distance. This is the importance. Clear? Okay, चलो ये topic तुमको ध्यान रखना है because I will use it in the numerical. It's very important for us. Thank you. Write down this question, student. Right? The question is a body is moving from the origin is given by the equation. An equation is given to you when the body is moving, right? And average speed of the body is in the interval of this. So you have to find the average of the speed in this interval 0 to 2 seconds. Is it right? Where we know that what is average speed? Whenever you read the questions, first click in the mind what is average speed? It is the total distance by total time. So total distance, that means I will get a distance at the 0 also and I will get the distance at the 2 also. So let me add both the distance and is it right? Already the distance is given to you. So first I will find in the answer, right, for the number 1, Roman number 1, right, first the distance. So you will write here distance forward at t equal to 0. When you put t equal to 0, your distance is also what? 0. Is it right? Distance is also 0 and time is already 0. Okay. Number 2, distance forward at t is equal to what? 2 seconds. At 2 seconds, your distance. So here it is 5 2s are 10 minus 4. That means what? 6. So you got the total distance. Therefore, if I am going to find average speed, then average speed is equal to what? Average speed is equal to total distance. So total distance is one is 0, another is 6. and total time is also 0 and 2. So I think it is 3. What 3? It is meter per second, or I think yes, it's given in the meter, x is in the meter actually. Here it is, which I have not written. Okay. So this is the way of finding the average what speed. And in the number 2, instantaneous. For instantaneous, you know that instantaneous speed, whenever we find, we will use dx by dt. So differentiation of this. 5 ones are 5 minus 2t. You know how to differentiate. Clear? ये 5 t का 1 पावर है, 1 minus 1 is 0, that means ये खत्म हो जाएगा तुम्हारा, 2t आ जाएगा इसमें, right? And after that, but they have asked in at the 2 second. So first you put 5 minus 2 into 2, that means 5 minus 4 is 1. So I will say it is 1. So this way we can find the instantaneous what speed also. Is it clear? Thank you.